Hey guys, it's Gina. Welcome back to my channel, and like I promised, this is the worst makeup products of 2017, but I'm not going to say worst, so it's going to be the most disappointing products of 2017. Just a disclaimer, like my last video, just because I don't think these makeup products were up to par for this year doesn't mean that you might not think it, doesn't mean you can't try it and have your own opinion. That's all for you. Before I get into this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, let me know what you want me to do next, and let's get right into the video. Alright, so the first thing on my list for going in order of how you do your makeup is the primer. So this primer is the Optical Illusion Complexion Primer from Urban Decay, and I don't have this because I gave it away, but this is what the primer looks like, and the reason why I didn't like it was because it changes color when it's on your skin. It goes from like clear to, well, this is more pink, but it turns white, and it has a really weird smell to it, and for me, for a high-end makeup, it shouldn't have a weird, gross smell to it, like chemically, but in my honest opinion, that is what that had, and I just can't deal with chemically smelling stuff. That's why I didn't buy the Royal Peach palette by Kylie Cosmetics, because it was said to have a chemically smell. Also, I'm sick, so feel a little congested, and that if you hear something chewing on a bone, that is my dog, because she is in the room with me and she is chewing on her bone. Ice! She's chewing on her bone. Next is foundation. This is the Flawless Finish Foundation by e.l.f. I actually broke out from it. This is where I decided where I might not be able to really use drugstore foundations because I have such sensitive skin. It's not even funny. I break out over the littlest things. I have this breakout that I've been working with, just starting to get it to go away. So I broke out from it, and it had a smell to it again. I cannot stand weird smells, and this was like a smell where it didn't go away like some foundations high-end do. This smell stayed throughout the entire time I was wearing the foundation, and I couldn't deal with that anymore. Concealer. Surprisingly, the concealer I have is the Benefit Boinging Industrial Strength Concealer. I have it in this little pod. It looks like this. This one I chose because it is super thick. Like, let me show you. Like, that is really thick. It's just thick in the jar. It's hard to blend, and it dries so quick. One, that's not even, how is that a concealer shade? This is in the shade 2. Right here. I don't get how that's in a shade for concealer, but even when I was tan, this didn't even work. That was something else. And then setting powder. Remember, I used to use this all the time in my videos, my Kat Von D Translucent Lock-It Setting Powder. I think it's because it's the translucent one, because other people have used her brightening powders and they've been amazing. This flashes back so bad. I didn't think it was my setting powder, but then I would take pictures with the flash on it, and my under eyes and everywhere I put this, it looked so ghostly white, and it was just ridiculous. And it's very drying. I have dry under eyes to begin with, so I don't need that cracky under eye look, but this gave it to me for sure. Don't really use it much anymore. I used it in my Halloween videos because I just take that makeup off right after I'm done, so it doesn't bother me to use this, but this for everyday glam look is a no. And I don't know if any of these products actually came out in 2017, but these are just the products that I've discovered in 2017 that I don't like. And bronzer. I'm really shocked to be saying this. Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm pretty sure it's because I have a super dark shade of the bronzer. This is medium to deep, so that's the only reason why I really don't like this. And it can be patchy when you go to apply it. Look at how dark that is. I'll put it next to the, it's not bad when you swatch it like this, but it can be very patchy when you're going to apply it on the cheek. That's just a little annoying. I'm going to try a shade that actually would work out for me, and that probably would work better, but this one doesn't because it's medium to deep, and I'm light to medium. Not even half the time I'm fair to light, so I'm pale. Now we're into blush. This is the Blush Duo. I don't know where this is from. I got this in my Ipsy Glam bag. This is what it looks like on the inside. The cream and the powder don't match. This is a pink. This is a nude. The powder, this powder right here, is more of a bronzer looking. It doesn't even look. And now it's orange on your hand. If you could see that, it's like orange. This cream is more feeling like a lipstick. They don't match, and I would think that you would do a cream that could have a powder to go on top of it so you could set it, but that wasn't the case. They just don't match at all, so I just don't like this. Eyeshadow is the Bronze Palette by Kylie Cosmetics. I think this came out in 2017, maybe late 2016. Don't hate me in the comments, please. But I got really into Kylie Cosmetics in 2017, so there. This eyeshadow palette, there's this just one random really bright orange shade in the middle. I didn't really get that shade. It's not as pigmented as you would think. It took me so long to build up color and to be able to blend it out. I just wasn't the fan of it. I'm also not a fan. It doesn't come with a mirror. It's very cheapy feeling for her, like all of a sudden now wanting to charge $360 for brushes, which those I heard felt cheap because I didn't want to waste my money on those at all, or even buy them individually. And then this feels like, and this was like 40 bucks, I want to say, when I got it. I don't think that this was all that amazing, and I really tried it in 2017, so that's why it's in the 2017 products. Y'all are gonna be shocked about this highlighter. Jeffree Star highlighter in Snowcone. This is his summer shade. I still use it. It's not that I hate it. I was a little bit disappointed in this one. To me, it's pigmented, but if you go to, like, it's not as buttery as his other ones. Like, look, that's very pigmented. It's not as buttery as the other ones. It's not that blinding as the other ones are. It's right here. And if it's not as buttery feeling, it feels super, like thick. Not thick, but like, it doesn't feel anything like the crystal ball one that he has. And this one I'll swatch for. This one is like really super buttery, super pigmented, is amazing. Right here is that one. But for some reason, the Snowcone one to me, it feels very like gritty and grimy. And it doesn't feel like it's as pressed maybe as this one, or maybe it's too much pressed. I don't know, but this one I was just disappointed with, and his highlighter. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I know that some of these products probably didn't come out in 2017, but I really got into makeup in 2017. So this is why I mentioned it. I thought it'd be a really good idea. This is my first time doing this video, so please don't kill me in the comments section. But if you do, whatever, I don't care. I'm just letting you give a little disclaimer that I got into makeup in 2017, so some of these products might not be in 2017. They might be 2016 products, but I bought them in 2017. Hit that subscribe button before you leave. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.